Nestled on a prime 1-acre corner lot stands a magnificent Mediterranean palace. Welcome to 2073 Roberts Point Drive in Windermere's Waterford Pointe. This 24-hour guard-gated community is located just outside the Windermere town limits, an enclave known for tranquility, away from the hustle and bustle of Orlando. Enjoy a stunning foyer behind double wooden doors and an open living space designed for guests and gatherings. Just outside of the grand room, the exceptional kitchen features a center island, rich wood cabinetry, and a view of the elegant family room and alluring lanai. With the grand master bedroom and bath just steps away, this spacious retreat features warm natural light, a spa-like bath, and a large walk-in closet. One of the exceptional highlights of this home is its outstanding executive-style office upstairs, where the dream of working from home can be your own reality. Step outside and enjoy your very own screened pool and spa and summer kitchen. Take advantage of community amenities including a clubhouse, private boat ramp, and beautiful tennis courts. This impressive residence could be your sacred haven.